Hi Tennis, next MCQ for workshop calculation science for mechanical group first year. Which refers the temperature? It tells the state of heat. Option B. What is the SI unit of heat? It's joule. Option B. Which instrument is used to measure heat? Calorimeter. What is the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature 1 gram water through 1 ounce centigrade is called calories. Option B. What is the value of specific heat of water? Its answer is D. 1. Which type of heat is the heat absolute or given off by a substance without changing its physical state? Option B. Sensible heat. Next, what is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit scale? 212 ounce Fahrenheit. What is the freezing point of water in Kelvin scale? Its answer is 273 ounce Kelvin. Next, convert 45 ounce centimeter into F Fahrenheit. Its answer is 270 113 ounce Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit it's called. Next, at what temperature will Fahrenheit and centigrade thermometers give the same reading? It's minus 40 degrees centigrade. Convert 273 ounce centigrade into Kelvin scale. It's 0 ounce Kelvin. What is the value of degree centigrade for 20 ounce Fahrenheit? It's minus 6.67 ounce Celsius. What is the maximum temperature that can be measured by mercury thermometer? Its answer is in right block. Answer is B. 200 centigrade. 300 centigrade. What is the name of temperature measuring instrument? So one figure in your question. It's bimetallic instrument or bimetallic thermometer. What instrument is used to measure temperature of hotels up to 3000 degrees centigrade? It's radiation pyrometer. Next, which type of heat transmission takes place through physical contact? It's conduction. Answer A. Which kind of heat transmission takes place by upward flow? It's convection. Option B. Which one of the following radiation method to heat transmission? It's option the heat from sun travels through the space. Next, what is the call of length of the solid's expansion when heated? Linear expansion. Option A. What is the change in length per unit original length per degree is rise temperature is called coefficient or linear expansion. Next, what is the unit of coefficient of linear expansion? It's number divided by ounce centigrade. What is the term used for 2 into linear expansion? Its answer is coefficient of specifical expansions. What is term called for 3 into linear expansion? Coefficient of cubic expansion. Its answer is cubic expansion. What is the coefficient of linear expansion if a rod is found be 100 meter long at 20 ounce centigrade and 100.14 m long at 100 degrees centigrade? It's 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by degree Celsius. What is called for the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of substance through 1 degree Celsius? Is specific heat. Option C. How much quantity of heat is required? Q is equal to 32,760 kg or kilojoule. Next, calculate the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 85.5 gram per gram of sand from 20 ounce centigrade to 35 ounce centigrade. Specific heat of sand is equal to 0.1. Its answer is 128.25 joules. Next, what is the specific heat of the material if we required 1510 calibers less to rise the temperature of 170 grams of material from 50 to 80 ounce centigrade? Answer is 0.1. How much quantity of heat is required to rise the temperature to 300 grams of copper from 25 ounce centigrade to 75 centigrade Celsius kilocalorie? Its answer is 138 kilocalories. What is the specific heat of material if the required 510 calories to rise the temperature of 170 grams of material 50 to 80 ounce centigrade? 0.1. How much quantity to heat to required rise the temperature 300 grams of copper from 25 to 75 ounce centigrade? 1.38 kilocalorie. How much heat is absorbed by a copper ingot weighing 400 kg is heated from 40 ounce to 72 ounce centigrade pose for forging? It's 1152 kilocalorie. What is the call for the material that restricts heat flow by the radiation, conduction and convection? Its answer is insulators. Option B. Next, which one is the heat insulator? It's the thermocol. B. Which one has the highest thermal conductivity? Solid ice. Next, which one of the following is not a property of heat insulating material? Its ductility. D. Which insulating material is most widely used in refrigerator? Is polyurethane. Option B. Which one is the poor heat insulator? Glass. What is the known of the temperature at which any solid melts into liquid? Melting point. What is the melting point of aluminum? 660 ounce centigrade. What is the boiling point of aluminum? 2519 ounce centigrade. What is the boiling point of water? It's 100 ounce centigrade. What is the melting point of mercury? Minus 38.72 ounce centigrade. What is the boiling point of mercury? It's 357 ounce centigrade. What is the ratio of forge thrust per unit area? Pressure. Option C. What is the equivalent Pascal value for a bar? It's 10 raised to 5 Pascal. What is the SI unit of pressure? It's Pascal. Next, which machine converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? It's generator. Option B. Which is the unit of current? Ampere. Option A. Which is the unit of resistance? Ohm. Option C. What is the flow of electrons in any conductors? Option B. Current. Which property of a substance of opposite flow electric current? Its answer is resistance. C. What is very good conductor? It's copper. Option A. What is mineral insulator? It's mica. Option C. What is the total resistance if the three resistance of 3 ohms, 9 ohms, 5 ohms are connected series? Answer is 17 ohms. Next, what is the total resistance if the two resistance of 4 ohms, 6 ohms connected in parallel? 24 by 10. What is the total resistance of 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 8 ohms respectively are connected in parallel? It's 24 by 13. Next, what is the same in series connection of resistors in a circuit? Its answer is current. Option A. Which law states that the constant temperature Current passing through a closed circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference and inversely proportional to the resistance. Answer is Ohm's law. See the picture. What is the resistance? I 11.5 ampere, V 380 volts. Next answer is 33 ohms. What is the current? R is equal to 50 ohms to watt 220. Answer is 4.4 amperes. Another figure in the question, what is the voltage? R I V, R is equal to 250, I is equal to 0.44 amperes. The answer is 110 volts. Next, which statement is correct according to the Ohm's law? I challenge V upon R. I constant. What is the filament resistance of if a 6 volt bulb draws a current of 0.5 amperes? It's 12 lambda. Next, how much watt second in 1 hour is 3600 watt per watt into second. While the power if an EMF of 1 ohm 1 volt goes is circle flow of 1 ampere. Its answer is 1 watt. Which is the equal to electric power? It's I square into R into watt. Next, how much power does I consume in electric vehicle, electric hardware, doors and current of 100 amperes as 200 volt. Next, what is the equal of electric power? It's I square into R watts. How much power does it consume if the electric heater draws a current of 10 amperes at 200 volts, 2000 volts? What is the resistance of electric iron if the rating electric is 220 watt and 500 watts, 96.8 ohms? What is the voltage of immerse heater? P is equal to 500 watts, I is equal to 2.27 amperes, V is equal to 0.3 volts. Answer is, what is the unit of intensity of magnetic field? It's WB upon M. Next, which law states about electromagnetic induction? Answer is Faraday's law, option D. Next question, what is the formula for induced EMF? It's BLV sin theta volts. D, option C. What does EMF stand for? Its answer is electromotive force, EMF. Next, which is the example of static induced EMF? It's transformer. What is the example of dynamically induced EMF? It's generator. What is the unit electric power? It's watts. What is the unit of electric power? Watt. It's the right answer. Next, what is the current flow in the bulb? P 550 watt, R 222 ohms. Answer is 5 ampere. What is the power required? I is equal to 0.455 ampere, R is equal to 484 ohms. Answer is 100.2 watts. Next, what is the rated power if the adjustable resistor bear to following label 1.5 kg ohms per 0.08 ampere? It's 9.6 watt. Next, how much voltage will be required to illuminate a 40 watts fluorescent lamp drawn a current of 0.10 ampere? 400 watts. Answer C. How many hours will take for a 100 watts bulb to consume 1 kilowatt hour energy? W is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. P is equal to 100 watts. Answer is 10 hours. Next question. What is the area of square whose side is 18 centimeter? 324 cm square. D. What is the diagonal of square plate whose side is 28 cm? Its answer is 39.59 cm. What is the side of a square whose area is 625 mm square? Answer is 25 mm. What is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 20 cm and 18 cm? 76 cm. Answer C. What is the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 10 cm, 8 cm respectively? 80 cm square. Option B. What is the formula for area of parallelogram? A is equal to B into H. Next, what is the area of right angle triangle having 10 centimeter base and height 5 centimeter? 25 square centimeter. B option. What is the perimeter of scalene triangle having sides of 40 mm, 20 mm, 28 mm? It's 88 mm. Next, what is the area of an equilibrium triangle of side 450 mm? It's 876.82 cm square. What is the area of circle of diameter 50 centimeter? Its answer is 1962.5 cm square. Next, what is the area of a semicircle whose diameter is 20 centimeter? Its answer is 157.1 cm square. Next, what is the cross section area of a circular ring? D is equal to 38 mm. D is equal to 32 mm. 330 mm square. What is the area of a sector of circle of radius 5 centimeter? Its angle is 96 ounce. Its answer is 20.93 cm square. What is the formula for area for perimeter of hexagonal? 6 into 100 top 3 by 4 a square unit square 6a unit. What is the area of an ellipse if the major and minor axes are 5 cm, 3 cm respectively? It's 47 cm square. C. If the total surface area of cube whose side is 25 is 3750 cm square. Answer C. Find the total surface area of a cast iron bar whose length, width and height are 20, 15 and 12 meter. 1440 meter square. What is the formula for total surface area of a cylinder? It's 2 pi r bracket h plus r unit square. A option. What is the volume of rectangular tank of 330 meter length, 20 meter width and 10 meter height? 6000 meter cube. Next, what is the volume of the cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? Its answer is 1846 cc. Next, what is the volume of sphere of radius 7 centimeter? 1436 cm square cube. Next, what is the formula for finding volume of a hollow cylinder having outer radius r, inner radius r and height h? Its answer is pi bracket capital R square minus small r square into bracket close into h units cube. What is the capacity of a conical tank of radius 2 meter and height 5 meter? 21 meter cube. How many liters to find water of water a cylindrical tank of radius 75 and height 100 mm can hold? 1766.25 liters. What is the total surface area of cylinder having surface 2 meters and height 5 meters? Its answer is 88 square meter. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter height, 628 cm square? Next, What is the name of the job given in figure? It's first term of con. Next question. What is the ratio between the distance moved by the effort or distance moved by the road? Velocity ratio. What is the ratio of mechanical advantage? Velocity ratio of a simple machine. Its efficiency. What is the next question? What is the mechanical advantage if load 1000 kg lifted by simple machine and effort applied 250 kg? It's 4. Next, what is the velocity ratio of a wheel and axle if the radius of wheel and axle 375 mm and 75 mm respectively? Its answer is 5. C. What is the velocity ratio of simple machine of a mass 120 kg lifted to a height of 5 meters by a force of 60 kg moving 15 meter? Calculate velocity. Its answer is 3. Option C. What is the efficiency of a simple screw jack having velocity 314.2 and mechanical advantage 220? 70%. C option. How much load is lifted if an effort of 25 kg is applied to a simple machine having velocity ratio of 4 and efficiency 75%? It is 75 kg. What is the name of fixed or supported point of lever? Is fulcrum. Option B. What effort required to lift a load of 150 kg in a wheel and axle if velocity ratio of 2.5 and efficiency of machine is 75? It's 80 kg. Next, what is called the distance to hold from one fulcrum? It's load arm. Answer B. What is the example of first order lever? It's pair of scissors. B option. What is the example of second order lever? It's bottle opener. What is the example of third order lever? It forceps. Which type of levers is bell crank lever? Is curve lever. Next, what order lever is claw hammer? It's one order lever. Next question. How many degrees is equal to the 1 radian? It's 180 degree by pi. D option. Answer is which is equal to sin theta. Opposite side of hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse. What is equal to cos theta? It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is equal to tan theta? It's C. Opposite side and adjacent side divided by adjacent side. What is the value of tan theta if sin 4 upon 5? Its answer is 4 upon 3. D. What is the value of theta if sin theta under root 3 by 2? Its answer is 60 degree. What is the value of 45 sin 45? 1 upon 1 upon square root 2. Its answer is 1. C. What is the value of sin theta if cos 30 is under root 3 by 2? 1 by 2. Option B. What is 1 plus cot square theta? It is cosec square theta. Next, what is the height of the wall where the ladder touches to the wall and ladder is 2.5 meter long makes the angle of 60 degree? The ground is 4.33 meter. Answer is C. Next, what is the height of AC? It 173.2 meter. Next, what is the height of building if a ladder is 45 degree touch to the building place 16 meter from the base of the building? East 16 meter. Option B. What is the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse of 15 meter height seen in the at a point 15 meter away from the base? It's 45 degree. What is the angle of theta? Shown in this figure, what is the angle of theta? It's 60 degree. Next, what is the term of the object seeing higher than eye level? It's angle of elevation. Answer is C. Option C. It is a very useful MCQ for CBT exam for mechanical group first year batch. Thank you very much.